Are you an aspiring programmer looking to unlock the secrets to success in this ever-evolving field? Look no further. We have compiled 15 essential tips to help you on your journey towards becoming a successful programmer. But wait, there's more! We've also included a bonus tip for aspiring entrepreneurs who want to break free from the 9-to-5 routine and embrace the freedom of being their own boss. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Master the basics. Before diving into complex programming languages and frameworks, make sure you have a strong foundation in the basics. Understanding programming concepts like variables, loops, and conditional statements is crucial. Tip 2. Practice. 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 The key to becoming a skilled programmer is practice. Code daily, work on side projects, and challenge yourself to solve coding problems. The more you code, the better you'll get. Tip 3. Learn from others. Join online communities. Attend coding meetups, and collaborate with fellow programmers. Learning from others' experiences and sharing your knowledge will accelerate your growth. Tip 4. Stay updated. The programming world evolves rapidly, so it's essential to stay updated with the latest trends, frameworks, and technologies. Follow influential programmers and tech blogs to stay in the loop. Tip 5. Be curious. Embrace your curiosity and never stop learning. Experiment with new languages, explore different programming paradigms, and constantly seek out new challenges to expand your skill set. Tip 6. Problem-solving skills. Programming is all about problem solving. Sharpen your logical thinking and analytical skills to tackle complex coding challenges effectively. Tip 7. Documentation is your friend. Don't underestimate the power of documentation. Familiarize yourself with documentation for the languages and frameworks you work with. It will save you time and help you understand concepts better. Tip 8. Test. 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 Always test your code thoroughly to ensure it works as expected. Debugging is a crucial skill, so learn how to identify and fix errors effectively. Tip 9. Embrace collaboration. Programming is often a team effort. Learn how to work collaboratively. Use version control systems like Git, and effectively communicate your ideas to others. Attention to detail. Pay close attention to details while coding. Small mistakes can lead to significant issues later on, so double-check your code for errors and inconsistencies. Tip 10. Time management. Effective time management is key to staying productive as a programmer. Break down your tasks, set realistic deadlines, and prioritize your work accordingly. Tip 11. Build a portfolio. Create a portfolio of your projects to showcase your skills and expertise. Having a collection of successful projects will help you stand out when applying for jobs or freelance gigs. Tip 12. Network. Expand your professional network by attending tech conferences, joining online forums, and connecting with industry experts. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Tip 13. Never stop learning. The learning journey doesn't end after you become a programmer. Stay curious, explore new technologies, and keep enhancing your skills to stay ahead in this ever-evolving field. Tip 14. Embrace failure. Failure is a part of the learning process. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Instead, learn from them and use them as stepping stones towards success. Bonus tip. Embracing entrepreneurship. For aspiring programmers who want to break free from the 9-to-5 routine and embrace the freedom of being an entrepreneur, here's an additional tip. Tip 15. Identify a problem to solve. Look for gaps or problems in your industry that you can solve with your programming skills. Develop a unique product or service that addresses these pain points and offers value to potential customers. Remember, entrepreneurship requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to take risks. But with the right mindset and a passion for what you do, you can unlock the freedom and flexibility that comes with being your own boss. So there you have it, 15 essential tips for aspiring programmers, along with a bonus tip for those interested in entrepreneurship. Start implementing these tips today and unlock your potential for success in the world of programming.